Afternoon, welcome. This is Waec year 2020 English test of oral pass question number 14. So we are still in the same structure, looking out for the option that contains the same vowel sound as in the given word, particularly the underlined letters. The word here is pronounced as at, and the underlying letter here are e a r are underlined. Then by international phonetic scripture we have it in this way, or transcribed in this way: at, which is long a. Then option A is pronounced as lanced, lanced. Unsound, not all. Then options B is pronounced as clear, clear, not clear, clear. Option C is pronounced as star, 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 which is long R2. The option D is pronounced as it, it. So we have long A here. So the correct option here is option C, because option C has long R as in the given word. Therefore option C is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more of our videos.